Hey, so if your Dropbox downloads are not working on your PC, yeah, like files won't download, get stuck, or just fail every time, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, downloads won't work properly if your connection keeps dropping. Next, yeah, just try downloading the file again. Sometimes it's a temporary glitch and it works on the second attempt. Now, check if you're using the Dropbox app or browser. I mean, sometimes switching between them fixes download issues. Yeah, this helps a lot. Clear your browser cache or restart the Dropbox app to remove temporary glitches. Now, make sure you actually have permission to download the file. Shared files can sometimes block downloads if access is limited. If you're using browser extensions like ad blockers, yeah, try disabling them. They can sometimes block download scripts. Also, check your PC storage. If your drive is full, downloads may fail or stop midway. If it still doesn't work, yeah, sign out of Dropbox and sign back in. This refreshes your account session. And finally, make sure your Dropbox app or browser is updated. Old versions can cause download issues. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox download not working on PC. Most of the time, it's internet, permissions, or browser issues. Try these steps and your downloads should work again. Thanks for watching.